Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about the trades taken last week. So let's get started. The week started on the 12th September. So this is the first trade on the 12th, Euro Yen 20-minute chart. All the entries are from the 20-minute charts, and trades are shown here on the left-hand side with the yellow mark. Buy order here, and I sell move to break even. This is the entry point, this line that shows the entry, and this is the setup. Yellow is above the black. This indicates all the way down. Price is making higher low, and red candle turns into blue, and the trade was opened there, and SL was put here, just below the last low, which is always 24.25 pip. So this is the first one, Euro Yen, 410 pip on the 12th. The 12th, the second trade was Aussie Yen. This was before, but this is the current one that I'm showing here. This is only 65 pip. It all depends when I close the trade. It depends on the daily range, which I'll explain in another video. This is pound yen on the 12th, the same day, just like euro yen, exactly the same, identical setup and identical entry. 405 pip. This pair basically has a range. The daily range is like almost 170 pip nowadays. So even the day started here, the low was here, and then it has traveled like 30, 40 pip. I still have a shot at 100 or more pip. So that's why I hold longer in these bigger moving trades, like pound yen and pound Aussie and stuff like that. Some of these pairs, and some pairs have very small daily range. So we closed it like 65, 70, 80 pip. Now here, this pound USD for 100 pip, 12th on the 12th. So it's a lot of trades on the 12th. This is on the 12th, again, the USD CAD. USD was getting weaker at that time, and CAD was getting strong. And then later on, the tables were turned, and the USD started getting strong. And then now I'm expecting the weakness in USD. So I'll show you later on. On the 13th, this is Euro Aussie. Euro was getting strong and Aussie was getting weaker. So that's why this pair started to move to the upside. But it is at the end of the road now. And since from Monday, it's going to start dropping. I'll show you why. Pound USD again on the 13th. This is, do you see this big wobble here? This is the news comes out. And it is because of the USD news and USD getting strong, sending all these four pairs, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD to the downside, and three pairs to the upside, USD CAD, USD Franc, and USD Yen, when USD gets strong. Now, on the 14th, pound yen, this is a beautiful short setup here for 115 pip. Like I said, that it is based on where you make the entry in the day, because the daily range is 170. So if the pair has traveled, let's say 30, 40 pip already, or 50 pip at the time of the entry, then you have 120, 115, 120 pip left in the daily range. And that's why I do the calculation and then hold these trades for the daily range. On the 14th is Aussie yen. This is how it went down, because yen started getting strong. And I made the chart the other day that all yen pairs going to drop because yen was getting, it's about to get strong. Let me show you the chart. I think I have it here. You see that? Yen index on the 14th, I said, if this happens, we'll send all yen pairs to the downside. And that's exactly what happened. And everything started to go down from 14 and on. All yen pair, you will see the short setups and short trades. See euro yen, short 400 pip on the 14th. On the 14th, CAD yen, short for 70 pip. This is because yen index was dropping and getting strong, actually. Now, Euro, Aussie was keep getting weaker. They go basically the opposite. Both currencies are Asian currencies, Aussie and yen. So if Aussie getting strong, yen gets weaker. And then if yen gets strong, Aussie gets weaker, usually. Not all the time, but usually. So this is what was happening. Now here, again, the next day, 15th, Aussie, Euro Aussie. Again, the first one was this one I just showed you, then a retracement, and then again, boom, to the upside. Every single trade is taken by the setup, nothing without the setup. Now here, CAD yen again to the downside. Again, the game started to the downside. All yen pairs dropping. Pound yen again dropping for 85 pip on the 15th, and on the 15th Aussie yen again dropping for 95 pip. And here USD CAD is the one that went up for 70 pip because USD was getting strong. So these are like almost 16 or 17 trades just last week. And every single trade I took is because of the alarm, the CTS alarm 3, the one I have. And every time the setup is there, the alarm beeps. Let me show you the video, a small video that I recorded an entry a few weeks ago. So let me play that video and you will see how the alarm beeps and how the entry was taken. The trade, I didn't, hold on to that trade long, but just showed the entry. So just watch it. Let me see if I have it right here, and I'm gonna play that video and just watch how the alarm works and how the entry was taken. Here is it. You see this alarm is working and signal was giving, and I was waiting for the reversal candle. Candle came in and trade was, I was a little late taking the trade, but it was taken anyway, right? And then the price went down nice and clean. And if I would hold, I'll probably go for a longer period of time. So this is how this video is showing the entry, and all of these trades that I just showed you in this video were taken with this alarm system. The setup, and the setup, when the setup is built, the alarm will start beeping, and you come and you open the trade, put the SL right below or the high of that last low or high, and it is usually almost like 24 to 25 pip. So if you are wrong, just in case, then you lose. It's maximum you lose 25 pip. But if you're right, you saw the trades like 70 pip. Here's 95 pip. Here's 85 pip. Here's 80. So the ratio is much higher. It's like 1 to 3 actually. So if you lose 20, and if you make 60 or 80, that's like 3 times, 4 times. So even coin toss, like for example, the probability, 50% probability, if you apply the system properly, you will be way ahead of the game. So this is just wanted to show you guys and share with you guys. Thanks for watching and being with me, and talk to you guys later soon.